Hey guys, my name is Sonam Prajapati and you are watching Teach Tutorial on our channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send photo on your Gmail. So it's a very simple guys. Now let's start the video. So guys, first of all open your Gmail account, and after this friends you will see the like option of pencil, and here you can see guys the Gmail is now open. So you have to type here your female your friends or anything ID, whatever you want to send data of your friends ID. So I just typed my friends ID, and here you can see guys right tick, just click on the right button, and after this friends type here anything you want, hello, and you can type anything you want friends. After this friends here you can see the option for attaching file, just click on this button, and after this friends attached file, click on the attached file. So here you can add attached file, and I have attached, and you can select multiple files. After this friends you have to click on the send button, and your files would be sent to your friends. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, like this video, comment below. If you have any question, make sure comment, and I'll see you soon with a new video. So guys, till now, bye bye.